alalahanin natin una, ano bang purpose nitong utos, no? It's actually a directive, no, from the presiding officer, no, to both parties, no, para nga mapabilis yung paglilitis, no, mapabilis specifically yung pag-identify ng mga libo-libong documents, no, which are the liquidation reports. Ang sabi niya, sinabihan niya mga parties na mag-meet kayo before the clerk of court, no? At ang purpose nito bago dapat ito, no, sa hearing na naka-schedule today, no, para mapagkumpara na yung dokumento namin pareho, since common exhibits naman yan, no, para mas mapabilis sana. Para pag dumating si Silene, no, pag tinawag siya ulit for the continuation of her direct examination, hindi na kailangang isa-isahin yung mga dokumento pa. If you remember, sabi nga ni Attorney Kapunan, sige, kung meron kayong doubts, no, dito sa copies ng mga documents namin, which actually came from you, OVP and DepEd ang nag-submit nito sa COA. But if for some reason, no, are you claiming that the COA tampered with the documents after you submitted it to them? Sabi niya, para wala ng issue, maybe we can even use your own documents. Siguro naman you want question the authenticity of your own documents, no, and they answered the affirmative. So in order to do their own documents, we need to first compare our documents with theirs, no. Pag nakita na namin walang problema, pareho dokumento, then kung hindi pa rin sila mag-stipulate na gamitin ang dokumento namin, gamitin namin dokumento nila. So now, which brings us to their answer, no. I'm glad that they admitted that, no. We've been trying to reach out to them para ma-schedule na nga to as directed by the presiding officer. Unfortunately, ang sagot sa amin, August 14. No? What purpose will that serve? Dahil today nga naka-schedule dapat yan. No? Yes, sinabihan na Wednesday, we had more than enough time, no, to schedule it last Thursday or Friday. No? O kung weekend sila, baka napakiusapan pa namin ng Senate Clerk of Court staff, no, na ma-accommodate kami. Tulad nung dun sa pre-trial, we were making that request kung kailangan. No? Yung answer na hindi sila sapat, well, sabi na nga niya, 16. No? 16 lawyers, no, ang officially nag-enter ng appearance dito. Hindi naman kailangan buong team sumama dyan para lang mag-comparison ng documents. No? And I'm sure they don't want to make it appear that they're not prioritizing the impeachment case of the Vice President. No? So, again, tulad ng sabi namin, ayokong sabihin na sinasadya nila na i-delay itong proceedings na to. But nagiging malinaw, magmula dun sa actions nila dun sa pre-trial, no? Pati nakita naman natin dun sa pagpresenta kay Attorney Wamil and kay Silene, itong ginagawa nila, sinasadya man o hindi, nakaka-cause talaga to ng delay. So we'll probably bring this matter up, no, in the next hearing, and we will see how the presiding officer will appreciate it and act on it.